Hello fellow traders, made a video for the insiders. What will be my next trade, a US boil. As expected, we took out the daily reversal 19 something, then and the weekly. So that means that on the weekly basis, see, we took out 1947, we didn't took out the high, so I'm expecting a move down until the 17th, but we have a panic in June. Usually a panic is taking out the high or the low on the monthly. As you can see, this is the lowest bar, so it's gonna probably go all the way to the 30s because that's where the monthly bullish are. So I took a trade, still in position. We'll see today if we close this out 2010. That might be a good indicator, but you know, you look at the stochastics, they are you know, mildly up. So again, do your own research and just trust the numbers. The numbers and timing, you know, reversal and timing are sacred. If it doesn't close above the reversals on the timing, it still has to few things to go. That will happen to GameStop. Unfortunately, GameStop, it's not a fair game, so they halted when it was like 62. But hey, you win some, you lose some.